Hold. 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 Okay, we got the steering knuckle off. You go in there and you just pry it upwards. If I can see this thing.
Right there, right?
I can't.
Oh yeah, it's coming. Watch.
Yeah, and you pry it off the.
Yeah.
Pry it off it. And then you flip it upwards. This is how I'm taking it out here. I just got a turkey baster. This is the power steering fluid. So this will be less dripping in the pan underneath. Okay, I'm crawling underneath to disconnect the lines. Crowfoot. Okay, I'm going underneath. Now, the way you get at it is right between the mounting frame and the engine. And there, you can see it right there. And then you take the crowfoot in here, and with the small pry bar on the end of this, you just crack that loose, and then from there you get an open-end wrench on it. See if I can get it on there, and I'll show you. See how I got the crowfoot in there? And I do have the rack and pinion still bolted. So now with the small piece of pipe, I'm going to crack that open. Now you can adjust that socket wrench wherever you want it, but right there. I just cracked it loose. See, I can turn it a little bit now. See that? So now I'll just use an open-end wrench in there. These two bolts here are right directly in line with it. Got it? Andrew?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Hang on. Hey, you didn't find one of these that ratcheted, hey?
No, you've got three, and they're weird sizes.
Jeez.
Half inch, 7/16.
Yeah, like you had a set.
Wow, this is... Huh.
We're getting some good action shots with the camera down below.
What about a pair of pliers that I just turned that with no, probably wouldn't fit pliers in there either. Needle nose. Open end doesn't fit on here. The box end is getting stuck.
Well, I can't even see around the corner. I got to get in here.
Sonny's gonna get some needle nose and see if I can.
Yeah.
Small pair of needle nose. I got time.
the biggest pair I can find.
How's that? Getting close, eh?
Is it recording, Andrew?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good show. Good show. Well, I did get the tie rod ends off. We got them hanging right there. I should mention this. We are not lowering the back of the motor down. We're going to take it out without lowering the back of the motor, which is these bolts here. We're going to slide it right out. But yet, when you look on how to repair it on the Chilton's manual, they say you have to lower the back of the motor to get it out. Okay, he's got the crowbar this way, so now you can get at the nut. Okay, John, you coming down?
So we're abandoning ship on this nut, this bolt here? For
No, he unloosened it a little bit,
Okay.
the bracket, to give some room to maneuver that. See, from this angle, you'd think that you could get an extension, but then when you look right here, you see how far off it is? To get the last bolt, shallow socket with an extension on a ratchet. That's how they got the last bolts out. Because they tried the deep socket, was hitting the catalytic converter. So that's all. Okay, you see the chisel there? Or the bar? That's what's holding the sway bar back so we can get a 24 millimeter socket on it. Okay, good. Get you some more light. Position the light better here. We got the big fan rolling for cooling it off, plus mosquitoes. Oh, it's dripping. That's why we got plastic on the cement. The whole thing. You got to turn it upwards. Hold. Hold. Okay, turn it right back side up so it's not dripping all over the place. From here. There, it's out.